Let us simplify each and assume that each variable is a non-zero constant. Let us begin with 1 to 4, applying the definition of negative exponent. 7 raised to negative 1 will become 1 over 7 raised to 1 or 1 over 7. 53 raised to negative 1 will become 1 over 53 raised to 1 or 1 over 53. 9 raised to negative 2 will become 1 over 9 raised to 2 or 1 over 9 times 9 is 81. 11 raised to negative 2 will become 1 over 11 squared or 1 over 11 times 11 is 121. For number 5 to 7, as we can see, they have the same base. So the base for number 5 is 4, number 6 is 7, and number 7 is A. And the operation that has been used is multiplication. So the property or the rules that we are going to use here is the product rule for exponent. In number 5, applying the product rule for exponent, it will become 4 raised to negative 4 plus 4 equals 4, negative 4 plus 4 is 0, so 4 raised to 0. And we know that any number excluding 0, if the exponent is 0, the answer is always 1. So the answer for number 5 is 1. Number 6, again by applying the product rule for exponent, it will become 7 raised to 8 plus 0. So the answer is 7 raised to 8 because 8 plus 0 is 8. Or if you are going to simplify, the answer is 5,764,801. For number 7, again by using the product rule for exponents, it will become a raised to 4 plus 0. So the answer is a raised to 4 because 4 plus 0 is 4. So this is our answer for number 7. For number 8 and 9, the property that we are going to use here is the definition of zero exponent. For number 8, we know that any number excluding 0, if the exponent is 0, the answer is always 1. So 7 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Copy the sign. 8 raised to 0 is equal to 1. And then copy the sign. 9 raised to 0 is 1. So the answer is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So our answer for number 8 is 3. For number 9, the answer here is 1. Why? Because a plus b plus c are inside parentheses and it is raised to 0. And it is considered as one term like x raised to 0, y raised to 0, z raised to 0, 2 raised to 0, and so on. Because we cannot distribute zero exponent to each variable inside parentheses because of plus sign. We can only distribute zero exponent to the expression inside parentheses if it is a product or division. But if it is addition or subtraction, we are not allowed to distribute it. For number 10, 0 raised to 1 is equal to 0 plus 7 raised to 0 is equal to 1. So the answer here is 1. For this expression, we're just going to copy the first term. And for the second term, we are going to apply the quotient rule for exponents. So 3 raised to negative 2, it will become 1 over 3 raised to 2. 9 times 1 over 3 times 3. So it will become 9 times 1 over 9 by cancelling it out. So the answer is 1. For number 12, the property that we are going to apply here is the first power rule for exponent. So we are just going to multiply the exponent. So it will become 8 raised to negative 1 times negative 4. Since both of them are negative, so it will become positive. Negative 1 times negative 4 is positive 4. Or 8 times 8 times 8 times 8, the answer is 4096. For number 13, since the expression has the same base, so quotient rule will apply here. So it will become 9 and then subtract the exponent. Negative 3 minus negative 4. So it will become 9 raised to negative 3. Negative times negative will become positive 4. So the answer here is 9 raised to 1. Negative 3 plus 4 is 1 or 9. So that is our answer for number 13. For number 14, we're going to apply the definition of negative exponent. So it will become 1 all over, open and close parenthesis, 3 over 5 raised to 1, or simply 1 all over 3 over 5. By rewriting this, it will become 1 divided by 3 over 5. In dividing fraction, we are going to multiply the first term into the reciprocal of the second term. So the reciprocal of 3 over 5 is 5 over 3. So 1 times 5 is 5. There is an imaginary denominator 1 here. So 1 times 3 is 3. So the answer is 5 over 3. For number 15, by applying the definition of their exponent, the answer here is 1. Because this expression is inside parentheses and it is raised to 0. And if we're going to distribute and multiply 0 exponent to every exponent inside parentheses, it will become 12 raised to 5 times 0 over 12 raised to negative 5 times 0. So it will become 12 raised to 5 times 0 is 0. 12 raised to negative 5 times 0 is 12 raised to 0. Since the numerator and the denominator have the same value, so the answer here is 1. Or, by applying the quotient rule for exponent, we have 12 raised to 0 minus 0. So the answer is 12 raised to 0. Or, any number raised to 0, any number excluding 0, if it is raised to 0, the answer is always 1. So the answer is 1. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching!